The first thing you do when you get in the car?
Honk the horn.
No, why would you honk the horn?
To let the hose know I'm coming.
So we're out here on the side of the road with our nuts shriveled up inside of us.
It's always a Subaru.
Spot's hot now. It gets really drippy in some spots. You're stuck, sir. Joey going in Mariah. Tinkerbell handle.
Goddamn degenerates in their multicolored fucking vehicles. God damn it. Make up your mind, you yellow or purple. Get out of the way, Joey. It's our lane now. Oh, is that a bridge I see? You know what that means, huh? God, that 4.8 sounds good. Oh, look at that. I got water all over the camera. Sorry. Whoa. The next spot.
We were talking about like going to that.
Might drag me around on that fucking thing. Oh, Joey's sideways. Look, bitch. He's going for the ditch. I got that. It's blurry, but I got it. Goddamn water drops. Look at this guy, almost right in the ditch. Maybe the last time you see me alive. Go faster. Go ahead. There you go. That's a good speed right there. Keep going like that. Yeah, because you get too close. I know, because it gets too deep and it throws it in your face.
A few moments later.
Fucking sitting back here like a sardine in a sardine can. Got the boys up front here. We're headed to yet another fucking drift day and yet another new vehicle. Never in the same fucking vehicle, apparently.
Why is that?
I do not know. Couldn't tell you. Maybe because we break too many vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. The all too familiar entrance to RMDC. The moment as we come around this corner.
One trailer.
One trailer so far.
Holy shit.
Very small.
this thing, bro.
Well, sir, what did you do to your car?
Just a little hot.
Drift car things.
Hit the jump sideways.
Obsessed with cars? Yes. Yes, I am.
Got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico. She know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico. She know she got the sweet